Okay, so we've got this model inserted with the curtain wall coming through okay, but you can see there that the doors have changed to double doors, and they should be single doors. The reason they've changed is because in this version of the file that we've loaded into, that's what this family was set to. It was different in the file that it came from, but again, because the file's linked, that's what's happened. So it's easy to change though. Just going into the 3D view so I can see my door clearly, and then I'm going to select it by clicking on it. If it doesn't come up as easily as mine is, you can always press Tab enough times to highlight it, then click. So of course it goes blue when you select it, and then you can simply go to Edit Type in Properties, click Load in the top right corner, and then go to the Curtain Wall Panels folder. And that's where you're going to find all these nice default curtain wall doors. And if you want to see what they look like, right click in the blank area in any of that white space, and you can go to View Large Icons. You're going to see a thumbnail of all of them. And really, because we're going to change it to a better door later, you can choose any of those single doors that you like. So this one here, or this one, doesn't matter. Any of the single doors, as long as it's not a double. I'm going to choose the most plain one, curtain wall single glass, but choose whichever one you like. So that's it, double click, click OK, and there we've got a single door, and I'll choose the next one and do the same thing. So now this one though, so it's not exactly the same. I'm going to choose it and then go to Edit Type, and you'll see we don't have to load it again because it's already loaded. So I can click on there, on that panel at the top where it's got family, and then just choose the name of the one I loaded before, curtain wall single glass, and that's it, and click OK. So now it's better, but we've still got to do a bit of tidying up. It's added in some extra mullions that we don't want. So there's one there at the bottom of this door, which is also pinned. So again, if it's not selecting all that easily, you can use Tab to highlight it if you need to. Select it, and then if you get the pin icon, unpin it by clicking on the pin and then delete. There's another extra mullion in between the doors here, so you can just select that, and then again, if it's pinned, unpin it and delete. And then finally go back to the ground floor plan, where you can see we've just got one last problem. The door there is facing the wrong way, so I'm going to select it and flip it this way, and actually probably should open in. Yeah, that makes more sense. I know sometimes the doors need to open outwards, but I don't think in this case it has to. So I'm also going to flip it to go inside and do the same with the other one. I think that looks better. There we go. So now we've got a much better entry. And so I'll give you a start on, modifying curtain walls, but you can take it much further than that. But at least, yeah, have a go at that, and then we can move on to some things in your designs, hopefully.